my feet, but a song they stole, it keeps the beat. This cry is not a plea for bread, it is the anthem of the undead. Hear the drum, hear the truth. My body born in Arkansas sun, but the spirit knew the battle begun. A child of the South, silenced by fear, the word was choked, the message unclear. The free bird names the sky is own, while I'm up the shadows alone. Unknown feet tied down by the history they sold. A story twisted, a future cold. I was the mute girl bound by the trauma, hiding my light from the colonial drama. From Harlem streets to the Ghana shore, the griot's tongue was quieting no more. Oh, the caged bird cries, it sings its truth, it remembers the guard, it remembers the Zaire, the scent of the savannah in the burning air. It's not weakness, it's a weapon in the air. From Cape Town dust to the Cuban sun, the song of the diaspora has just begun. And the whisper turned to breath, and the breath became a roar. The fear fell off like chains upon the floor. Oh, I saw my power, the strength in my own name. I stepped out of the shadow, I rejected the shame. I traveled far from the Cairo heat to the wisdom shared on the cross street. I studied the masters Garvey, Du Bois, and Nkrumah too. I saw the vision proud, black and true. My pen became my sword, my verse became my shield. My purpose in the human spirit revealed. Remembers the glory, it remembers the might, standing in the fullness of its own black light. It's not hope deferred, it's a power in the air. From Brazil's Quilombos to the Jamaican stream, we are the living proof, we are the collective dream. My philosophy is simple. Courage is the mother of all virtues. We are more alike than we are unalike. Love is the path that permanently cures. The Pan-African promise is a rope across the sea. We are the people. Yes, the people everywhere. From the soul of Nairobi to the wisdom of Dakar, from the heart of London to the concrete in New York. And now I sing for the millions who feel the steel. I sing for the future, for the wounds that begin to heal. I sing of my people, the people of the sun. I am the free bird now, the victory is won.